In my previous two videos of PolicyPak and FSLogix Better Together, you saw me set the default browser based upon what browser I have on the machine being exposed through FSLogix. So for instance, when I'm exposing Firefox, set that as the default browser, and when I expose Chrome, set that as the default browser. You also saw me set up some routes, opening up the right browser in the right website based upon criteria. This video is a little bit different. This video, I'm going to use Application Settings Manager, part of PolicyPak, to deliver application settings themselves, for instance, the browser homepage and also some security settings. Let me show you what my Firefox looks like right now, just as an example. I have no homepage set, and if I go to Privacy and Security, the default is to remember logouts and password for websites. Terrible idea, because if somebody just opens up the laptop and gets to use this machine, that's not good, and then they can just log on to any website that you've saved the password on. Not a good idea. So we're going to set both of those things immediately. We'll also do the same thing for Chrome, and it's easy enough to do. We're just going to create a new settings pack for the application. PolicyPak has 500 pre-configured packs ready to work for applications you already know and love. I only have a handful of them snapped in here, but we've got a huge battery of them, and you just snap them in. So here's the one for Firefox. I'll go ahead and double click it here. And the first thing I'm going to set is my home page. And I'm going to set it to CBS.com, a television station. And then I'm going to go over to security, and I'm going to uncheck remember password for sites, because it is currently checked. We don't want it checked anymore. I'll go ahead and click OK, and it's locked and loaded. I'll then go and create a new settings pack for Chrome, okay, and I'll do something very similar. What I'll do is I'll set the home page here to another TV station, TBS.com. I want to use that as the home page, and then I want to actually, I can disable checking auto updates if I want to as well. But then under security settings, let's see if I can remember where that is. Here we go. I want to uncheck. Nope, that's not the right guy. I want to uncheck offer to save passwords I enter on the web. So I'm delivering two things here in Chrome. It's as simple as that. Bing, bang, boom, I'm done. So just to show you, I'm going to log off here. I'll go ahead and sign out here. Now I'll go ahead and log back on. I just want to show you that how fast this is. Okay, now that we're logged on, let's go ahead and time to run Firefox. Before we had no home page set. Now Firefox will, boom, get the home page that we expect. And if I were to go over to Tools Options here in Firefox land, you can see it's set to CBS.com. If I were to go to Privacy and Security, boom, we've unchecked remember logons and passwords for websites. Now here's the extra special sauce. Let's say you were a super naughty user and you click that checkbox and you go over to the home page and you set this up as abc.com. Oh, you're so naughty. You should not do this, Mr. User. Okay, there's no save button here. You just close it and that's it. Now the thing about PolicyPak is we're always working even if the computer goes offline. So the very next time a user goes to rerun that application, PolicyPak is always working, setting the home page the way you expect, and also any of your security settings. So if we go back to Privacy and Security, boom, we've unchecked that checkbox. Let's go ahead and log off here, and we'll go ahead and log back in as East Sales User 1. Remember, East Sales User 1, because of FSLogix, is only showing the Chrome browser. And now that we're logged on as East Sales User 1, let's see what happens when we run Chrome. Boom, we get tbs.com as the home page. And if we were to try to be naughty and work around this, by way of example, here in, you can see that it's locked down. Okay, right there. It's being enforced by your administrator. Can't be worked around, which is great. And the other setting I set, wherever the heck that thing is let's see if we can find it pretty easily. Passwords and forms. Offer to save web passwords, and it's off, just the way we would expect. Boom, just like that, PolicyPak is enforcing your settings based upon the browser that you have on the machine because of FSLogix. So I hope you like this Better Together story, and if you're looking to get started soon, just fill out the form and we'll be in touch and we can get started right away. Thanks so much.